From the history of generations, we've come to a solid conclusion that the only time a man actually cares about his body is when he's about to lose it. The kind of foods we eat has the tendency to either upgrade our health or degrade it. And today, I want to be sharing with you folks one of the best or the top 5 foods that you need to eat if you want to save your liver from death. And let's hit the road. On the very top of the table, we do have cruciferous vegetables. Now, these vegetables include broccoli, Brussels, kales, and many others. And the basic thing that they do is they help increase the levels of the detoxification enzymes, and these in turn protect your liver from damage. Don't just eat anything, but choose wisely. On a research carried out in 2015 on the role of certain foods in people with the NAFLD, that's the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, avocados came to stand out as the game changer because these help to lower the body fats or lipids, and in turn they help to protect the liver from lots of other damages. Just in case you may be having certain damages or inconsistencies in your liver, avocados can help a lot. Maybe you should try it. Try it out and buy them from the market or the grocery store. And the next time you have your meals, try to include certain amounts of avocados. Next on the table, we do have garlic. Most of the population don't enjoy eating garlic simply because it's hot. It has a hot, burning sensation, and that makes it not acceptable to the public views. But today, garlic comes among the best foods for your liver. It contains a mineral that's called selenium, and selenium helps to cleanse your liver. And not just garlic, I also want to tell you about 2 other foods that you guys have to know about. That's beets, yes, beets, and also we do have turmeric, turmeric, beets. They're all antioxidants, and these help to protect your liver from being damaged by toxins. And if you have beets, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil, you will be the most healthiest person on the planet if it comes to your liver. And there you have it, the top 5 best foods for your liver. Please guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and tell me what you think. I believe there are lots of other foods on the grocery stores and the marketplaces that may help your liver. I just picked 5. If you have any others, please tell me down in the comment section below. Next week, I'm going to be uploading a new video about, this time I want to spice it up a little bit, and we'll be talking about the foods that destroy the liver. They're common and we're just ignorant. So please like and subscribe until we meet the next week.